Alright, this is my big snow event. There's a little bit of snow covered on my solar panels. I got started removing the snow and thought I'd grab the camera real quick and get some pictures. It's not, we get set up here where I can record. Okay, solar panel. My other solar panels are under there somewhere. Looks like I have about, probably about 15 inches now. I'm at about 4,000 feet, so it's not super unusual to get snow in this area, but this much is certainly doesn't happen every winter. That's probably the most snow this area's seen in a long time. Some areas up north of Kingman we're supposed to get up to 30 inches. It's supposed to snow through the night. Cold front coming in, so I got all the snow off my back porch getting out. A lot of snow out there. My poor bike's all covered up. It's the most snow I've seen in the last 5 years on the road. I think the most snow I had was probably up on the Mogollon Rim here 3-4 years ago. Got about 6 inches up there in April. Hey, the sun's coming out. It's about 4:30. Got about an hour, half an hour, 45 minutes of daylight, and the sun just popped out and now it went away. There's some blue sky right over there, looking awesome. Might get a killer sunset if we get a clear patch to the west. That'd be awesome. There's quite a bit of blue sky. I think I'll take a hike down the road and walk down to the corral area. It's about a mile down the road. And get out and stretch my legs and enjoy the snow. I tried rolling a snowball earlier right over there. It's all dirt and everything, so it was wet enough that it was kind of picking up a bunch of dirt and gooey ground, so not the best snowman making conditions. Need to be on grass or concrete or pavement or something, so get a nice clean snowball. Alright, I'm gonna go take a walk down the road. Got my park on, and there's tracks from earlier. I got a couple inches of snow in the last couple hours. The snow kind of died down. It was deep enough for snowshoes. About 14 inches, 13, 14 inches, I think. I measured it about hour and a half ago, and it was 13 inches, just right at 13 inches. So I'm probably got an inch or so in the last hour. Driving anywhere, I wasn't planning on. I made it into town in Wally World yesterday, so stocked up for the next 2-3 weeks. Alright, I'm going to take a hike down to the corral. It's about a mile or so down the road. Bummer the ATV guys that were here over the weekend, holiday weekend. Whoa! I just about slipped and fell on my butt. They left a big pile of firewood, and somebody grabbed it yesterday. I was gonna grab it on the way by when I came in back from Wally World, and dagnabbit, somebody got in and grabbed it. Oh well, it's not really campfire weather right now anyway, with all the snow. Yeah, this road's packed down and slippery where the tire tracks went. You have to be careful. I don't want to bust my butt. There's a bunch of snow on that Joshua. It's rare that it's this calm. The past snow this is the 4th round of snow. Hasn't been windy. I got about 3-4 inches here about 4 or 5 days ago. It was a little on the windy side that day. I got some icicles coming off that Joshua. I got it. Come on, sun. I was hoping to get a little bit of a sunset, but I don't think that's gonna happen. A few patches of blue sky towards the east. Got a big dark cloud heading this way, so the sun is right that direction. Be dropping down behind the mountains here in about another 10 minutes. Come on, sun. Hit a clear patch over there. Look awesome. There's the other camping spot. That's the trailhead to the El Dorado wagon road. It's a nice big area you could pull off. There was I think a tent trailer camped there over the weekend. This is the other camping parking area. It's like an info board. This is a corral area. And the old wind tower, or the wind pump. Water tank over there, and that pump's seen better days. Yeah, that pump's seen better days. The blades are all gone, or somebody's climbed up and removed the blades. I can see the generator windings, everything's all tore apart, so somebody must have climbed up there and pulled some parts off of that. Still has a ladder. Here's the highway. I can hear something coming down the road, and I'm surprised it's pretty much snow-free. I hear a snowplow or somebody's got somebody down there. Boy, it's going to be icier and slippery and snot. It's freezing right now. Yeah, it's all nice and wet, and yeah, it must be a snowplow. Yeah, that's a snowplow, man. He's making a lot of noise. Got a full load of sand. It's not plowing a whole lot. I think he's scraping pavement. He's got all the snow pretty much plowed off. It's gonna get slippery though in the next couple hours. Alright, I'm heading back. I got a book, and careful going back. I don't want to, I almost slipped and fell about 10 times. So I'm gonna have to be careful. Alright, I'm out of here. Heading that way, about a mile away. Not quite a sunset, but that's about best I can do. Almost started to clear off out to the west, but that's about it. It's about the brightest I've had. Darn, that would have been cool. Had a couple little patches of clear sky. All right, back on the road. Keep on trucking.